How to get money from Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can get money from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends upon what you are talking about. First of all, if you're saying that your friend wants to send you money and then you want to get that money, you can either give them the QR code of your Cash App account by tapping the scan icon here. Tapping on my code, you'll find a QR code over here. Just share them the code, they will be able to scan the code and send money to you. Or you can simply send them your cash tag. So your cash tag will be right over here. This is the username that people can use to search you and send you money. Now if you're talking about getting free money from Cash App, the only way you can get free money is if you invite some people to Cash App and if they sign up using an invitation link. So you can tap on invite friends option here, and if they sign up using an invitation link, you'll be able to basically get $10. This way you should be able to get money from Cash App, as depending upon the situations as to what you're talking about. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.